Kaway kaway. It's a three doors of mini. Mga tin. They always like the car of Mr. Bean. But the modern car of Mr. Bean. Ah, there's no more UK flag at the I like that one. They're going there. Let them drive. We're here. Lloyd's Mini. Travel all the way from Barrow to this site. Okay, where are they now? We wait for them. We see, huh? Wait for them. We wait for them. Wait for them. Cornelius Street. Go inside. It's sunny. We don't want you to get sunburn, baby. Oh, there they are. Blown away. I'm blown. Nice. That's according to Tintin, that's Petita 2.0. Petita 2. Hindi pa maarangkada. Lakasan mo aircon. Check mo yung which is bigger, the Countryman or the Clubman?
Countryman.
Countryman.
The Clubman's a bit lower down.